Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we're comparing the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT Black and the hohem iSteady X3 SE. Two impressive 3-axis smartphone stabilizers designed for mobile videographers. The AOCHUAN XPRO KIT Black offers advanced features like integrated lighting and OLED display, while the hohem iSteady X3 SE focuses on portability and affordability. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to pricing, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT Black is priced at $115, positioning it as a premium option. In contrast, the hohem iSteady X3 SE is much more budget-friendly at just $64. This significant price difference reflects the additional features and accessories offered by the AOCHUAN, making it essential to consider your filming needs and budget when making a choice. The AOCHUAN XPRO KIT Black stands out with its integrated RGB magnetic refill light and OLED display, providing users with advanced controls for professional filming. On the other hand, the hohem iSteady X3 SE emphasizes portability with its lightweight design and detachable remote control, making it ideal for travel vloggers who need a compact solution. Both gimbals offer gesture control and smart features, but the choice will depend on whether you prioritize advanced functionality or convenience. In terms of usability, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT Black offers a more professional experience with its dedicated focus and zoom controls, making it suitable for filmmakers looking for cinematic effects. However, the hohem iSteady X3 SE is designed with beginners in mind, featuring an easy setup and a detachable remote that allows users to control their shots from a distance. This makes it a great choice for those new to videography or for casual users who want a straightforward experience. In conclusion, both the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT Black and the hohem iSteady X3 SE offer unique advantages for different types of users. The AOCHUAN is perfect for those seeking advanced features and professional quality, while the hohem provides an affordable and portable option for casual users. Whichever you choose, both gimbals will help you capture stunning video footage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.